Dear students, in the previous class, we have created database student and marks and enter records linked to tables student and marks by using common field, that is roll number. See, in both the tables student and marks, the common field is roll number, which is a primary key. In this class, we will see how to create a data entry form to enter records and report to display selected data in a printable format. After the class, you should practice the form and report and whatever we have done in our online class. As we have already created student table, see here. In student table, there are 5 records already entered. To create a data entry form of student table, click on Create Form. The form is created. Now right click on the Object tab Student 1 and click on Form View to enter new records. Here I will enter more 3 records. So go to the last record, that is 105 roll number. To enter the new record, the next record will be 106, first name Riyaj, class 8, address GTB Road, Dhubri. Press on the page down. Next one, 107 roll number, name Seema, class 8, address College Road, city Dhubri. Page down to enter the new record. Next roll number will be 108. Rohan, class 8, address GTB Road, city Dhubri. So we have entered 3 records. Now see how to create a report on student table. Create report. Report is created. You can give any suitable heading here. Give the heading. The heading is student information. And see here, this field is outside the dotted line. So arrange the field names properly within the dotted line. Arrange the address field. Alright. Now all the fields are within the dotted line. Now click on Format Background Image and select image from Image Gallery. The image will be displayed as a background of the report. In this way, we can create a form and a report. Click on Student 1, see Print Preview. Okay, this is your report. In the next class, we will do Adobe Photoshop CS3. Okay. So, through form we can enter records, and this is the report which is just now generated. Thank you everyone.